Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you and I hope you all are safe. So see, I am again here to teach you SST Standard 3 Chapter 11 Lecture number 2. So in first videos I have explained you about the Bronze Age, the Egyptian civilization, about the location that it is near the river Nile, and their main important cities are there in Egyptians like Thebes, Giza and Memphis. So about the people I have told that the king of the Egyptian we can call the pharaohs, and they respect the pharaohs and they even worship him like a god. And some of the important pharaohs were Kung Fu, Akhenaten, Ramesses II and Tutankhamun. And some of the people were farmer also, some are scribers, some are writers who kept all the written records which is happened in the daily lives. So some are the soldiers, some are the engineers and trader also. They have the people of the Egyptian, they have art, they have a many skills are there, craft people as well. They believed in many god and goddess. So buildings, now how the look of that building in the Egypt that we can see. Many old buildings and ruins have been found in Egypt. So many old buildings are there which is found in Egypt. Most of them are very big and were made in honor of their pharaohs. So most of the buildings is what most of the building in Egypt, it was very big and it were made for in the honor of some king. King means the pharaohs, honor of the Egypt pharaohs. The most were known as the pyramids or tombs of the pharaohs. Now the most of the buildings it is called the pyramids. Pyramids, I think you know about the pyramids, that a building which has a flat top on the three sides, like a tricone is there, like a triangle, and it is the top, and it is what four sides are there which is pointed at the top. So some of the buildings are known as pyramid also and tombs for and it has made for the memory of the pharaohs of the Egypt. These pyramids were built as a resting place for the pharaohs and other important people. So these all the pyramids buildings it were made for the resting of the people, for the resting place of the pharaohs, the king of the Egypt, and it is for some important people also, so they can go there and they can rest in that areas, in that house. When the pharaohs died, when the king died, the dead body was wrapped in cotton cloth or bandage and preserved with special oils. So in Egypt, if the pharaohs dead, then the dead body they just wrapped it in a cotton cloth or bandage and they preserved that bodies with a special oils. This process is known as mummification, and these all process that where the cotton damage there's just the cotton cloths or damage or bandage they are just wrapped with in body. So that all the process is called mummification, and a body wrapped in this way is called a mummy, and the body which is wrapped so that the way is called a mummy. So I think have you seen the mummy pictures? Maybe it is in that Hollywood movies, and you can see the mummies in cartoon character also, that it is these all the bodies it is covered with the cotton cloths or bandage. So that is called that the king of the Egypt, they just wrapped in that all the cotton cloths and bandage and they preserve the small special oils, and it is called the mummification, and the body wrapped in that way is called the mummy. So that all called mummies. The mummy was kept in a beautiful gold coffin or box. So all the mummies is what after the body is wrapped with white cotton cloths. So it was kept in a very beautiful gold coffins or box. Along with the coffin means along the body parts and along with the coffins meaning is a box that a dead person's body is placed in. So a box which we can keep the dead body's person, so that is called the coffin. So along the coffin, items of food, furniture and jewelry were also placed in the tomb. So along his the body, the food of items, furniture, and the jewelry also placed in the tomb also. Now, do you think that why the people of the Egypt preserve the body, that they can just put in a special oil, they just provide the items of food, furniture, jewelry, and also placed in a tomb? Why they have done so? They believed in life after death. So they believed in life after death. They believed that after their death there is a life. So therefore, their pharaohs would need all his clothes, jewelries, and other things even after death. So they think that the body is what, after the death we have life also. So the people of that areas Egypt, they think that the pharaohs, the king of the Egypt, maybe they need his clothes, jewelries, and the food items. That's why these all things were kept in his tomb after the death. His body would also need to be preserved. Even today, the Egyptian mummies are well maintained and kept in museum. So his bodies also need to preserve. Even today, also when we will go in Egypt, then we can see that today mummies is also maintained and it is kept in a museum, so that we can see that yes, this is called a mummy. So it is kept in museum in Egypt. One such mummy is preserved in the Indian Museum in Kolkata. So one more mummy is there which is preserved, which is kept in Indian Museum in Kolkata. So whenever you will visit the Kolkata, then you can go the Indian Museum and there you can see the mummies. It is preserved there so that the people will go, the tourists will go and they can attract with that mummies. Now did you know is there? The pyramid at Giza is also known as the Great Pyramid of Khufu. So the Pyramid of Giza, which is made for the resting of the pharaohs, that house is also called the Great Pyramid of Khufu, as it was built as the tomb of pharaohs Khufu. For some 4,000 years, it was the tallest structure in building in the world. It is generally believed that the Great Pyramid took around 20 years to build using more than 1 lakh workers. So they believed that 20 years ago the people they just used the 1 lakh workers to make the one pyramids. So this is the important. Next is, after the pharaohs, mummy were kept in a special room. After all the things has done, they just kept the food items and everything what the pharaohs needs. They just kept into a special room or a chamber in the pyramid, or a special room or in a chamber in a pyramid. The entrance was closed so that it would not be disturbed. So all the doors and windows it has closed so that it would not be disturbed by the other people. The other reason was to protect it from robbers, and the other reason is what, that's why it kept in one room and it is locked so that it cannot be, the thief will not come and it will not take. So one reason is also to protect from the robberies. Since many valuable objects were kept along with the coffin, so many valuable things it is always kept along with the coffins, and it was very interesting idea, wasn't it? It was very interesting ideas that it is preserved in a box, and they provide us the food, furniture, so that they can believe that after death life is there, and they just give the special oil and they just kept in a special box, and then they preserve that all in a big room so that nobody will disturb and nobody will just touch, and that it will not be robbery will take, so that for the saving they just kept into a special room. Now the next that we will see in the next class. Till that, please read your chapter, and whatever I told you to underline it, so please underline it. The new words exercise you can complete it by your own self. If you don't, then tomorrow I will come and then again I will explain and I will give you the exercises. If you have not completed the chapter, then please complete it, and please stay at home and safe at home. Thank you and have a nice day.